Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gazmine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my second trunk club box. I always have to slow down whenever I say trunk because sometimes I say trump and I don't want people to think I'm saying that. But before I show you guys what I got in my box, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. And also make sure to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. So let's get on to this video. Okay, so my first trunk club box, I had 11 items I believe. And I kept majority of those items because I was really excited. That was a really good box and my stylist picked out a lot of good pieces for me. Since I kept a lot of the items, my total was pretty pricey, I would say. So to make sure I don't go crazy like that again, I'm putting a limit on myself. I don't know what limit I'm gonna put, but I'm gonna put a limit. But I loved all the items that I kept, so I'm really happy. Including my Adidas sweats that I'm wearing right now. These ones are actually much better than the ones I had before because this one fits my body. For this box, I believe the total of items that your stylist will pick out for you is 12, but lately just like last month and this month my stylist picked out 11 items for me, and I didn't approve, I think about like, I didn't approve a lot of it, mostly because I had some similar items and also I felt like some of the items wouldn't look good on me. I also clicked the button where you can where she can throw in extra stuff in your box that I can't see, because she did that for my last box and that's how I got my Adidas sweats. But this time I didn't receive any add-on items, which was like kind of sad but also made me happy because it made it a lot easier for me to pick out what I wanted versus what I don't want. So let's get into the stuff. So let's get into the items. Alright. So the first item that I received are a pair of Avarian sandals, but they look like heels to me, so therefore I call them heels. I didn't know how I felt about these heels because they looked super cute, especially online, but the middle strap I just didn't really like. It didn't really complement my foot or my feet. Well, my foot, because I only tried on one foot. And also the heel is pretty short for me. Even though I have shorter heels than that, I didn't have like a good feeling like, oh yes, I'm gonna be rocking this every single weekend type of thing, or every single day of the week. So I definitely returned those. Okay, so the next item that I got is this sweatshirt, and this is from Topshop, and I absolutely was so excited to receive this because one, I really like sweatshirts, especially oversized sweatshirts, and this one is really nice because it has the material to keep you warm on the inside, and it's not too baggy. I like the whole distress of the design on here. So cute thing that they put on the tag is that they put like a little cake recipe, which is really cute. I want to cut it off and make it, and I thought that was like kind of unique because you don't really see brands putting recipes on their clothes. So I might make it. Well, definitely I'm gonna make it sometime in the future. So obviously I kept this because I'm wearing it right now. Okay, so the next item that I received is a suede moto jacket, and this is what it looks like. I'm not really a big fan of moto jackets just because, I don't know, I think I just like the regular type of style, like the black leather or pleather style. But when I tried this on, I really liked how I looked at it, and it smelled like real suede. So I mean, like, judging from the prices, it better be real suede because it's pretty. This is the most expensive item that came in my box. I really liked how I looked in this jacket, but I have like a whole clothing rack of jackets and sweaters that I neglect so badly, and I didn't want to receive this item and add the neglect to this jacket, so I returned it. So the next item that I received is a cropped tank top by BP, and this is what it looks like, and it was really nice, simple. Can't really say a lot much. I mean, I kept the item. I need more cropped tank tops, especially since it's about to get hot out here. So next item that I received is a bodycon midi dress from Lost Ink, and this is what it looks like. So right off the bat, I already knew that I wasn't going to keep this item, to be honest, just because I don't really do midi dresses because I feel like it's hard for me to move my legs in, and it was kind of big on me. It was loose, basically. It was very loose on me. The little slit on your shoulder, near your shoulder or your chest, was like pretty big to the point where you can see like my armpit, so I definitely did not keep that, and that was the smallest size too. It was extra small. So the next item that I received is a tie front romper from j.o.a, and this is what it looks like. So I was also like unsure about this item too when I saw it online, just because I don't know, I don't really do the whole tie front type of thing. When I tried it on, it was very uncomfortable because it's not, I thought it was going to be like a loose romper, like just any other type of romper, how like they're loose and stuff, which is, I don't know, it was very stiff and it was weird, and I didn't really like it. The little hole that you tie was like big too, like you can basically see down on the inside. The bottoms I did not like at all because it looked like I was wearing a diaper, so that made me look even more ridiculous. So yeah, I didn't keep this item. Okay, so the last item that I received was an off-the-shoulder crop top from ASTR, and this is what it looks like. So I was also excited to receive this item too because I really wanted an off-the-shoulder white shirt, even though I already had one, but that one is honestly a little bit too big for me. This one fits me really nicely, although the sleeves are a little bit low for me for what I'm used to, and the material of the it's kind of like a corset. And it has like a wire or something to hold it up, which is nice. And yeah, basically I kept this item. If you guys are interested in signing up for a trunk club, I will leave their link down below. Other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.